everyone, so today I'm in Science Museum that is located in Khanapada, Guwahati, Assam. So let's go and know about it. So first of all, you can see this gold, and if you stand in the footpath, you will see some portraits of some famous scientists. You can see that I'm in Science Museum, Guwahati. Now we're going inside. Now you can see these boats of some fighter jets, and this is MiG-21 performance, and this is a technical description of this plane. And now you can see this model of MiG-21. You can see these are the scientists of Assam and India. Look at this magic water tap. Do you know where does the water come from? From the top? No, not from the top. This water comes from the end. Can you see what is this? This is a floating granite ring. No belts, no pulleys, no wheels. Then through which mechanism the solid granite ring weighing about 1 ton is revolving? The granite ring is actually floating and rotating a thin film of water. Water is pent up from a nozzle below the ring and creates thin film of water beneath the ring and lubricating the ring and forcing it to turn gently. Now you can see that we are in the museum. So let's go inside and see all types of fishes. This is tiger. This fish is tiger worm, and you can see that these are very tiny. Like a shark fish. This fish is discus fish, and its origin is in the Amazon River. This fish is piranha fish, and its origin is in Amazon. This is Oscar fish. These fishes are goldfish. You can see that they are gold and orange in color. This fish is cheetah fish, and its origin is Burma, India, and Thailand. You can see this fish is very, very, very large. Wow. This fish is an African knifefish. This fish is parrotfish, and its origin is in South America. This looks like a parrot. You can see. These fishes are so beautiful. These fishes are angelfish. This fish is alligator fish. It looks like an alligator. It's very. This is albino shark fish. Now you can see that we are entering the museum.
Now.